Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to reverse a sales invoice. Let's say due to any reason the sales invoice was created wrong at the date and everything, and you cannot delete it because it's already approved and the QR code is generated. In order to do that, you only have an option to reverse the complete sales invoice and create a fresh new sales invoice. In order to reverse the sales invoice, you need to go to sales module. Under sales module, you have sales return submodule. Click on it. So once you click on it, the entire sales return module with the transactions will open. Then just click on create new. So once you click on create new, this screen will open. Here, as you need to reverse against the invoice, select invoice, transaction type as invoice, and then select the respective invoice. Either you can use by invoice or by status here using the lookup lens. Let's say I'm selecting one invoice here. Okay. Now for selecting the invoice, it will show the entire information. Then you can write the reason why it is being reversed or returned. So you can just select from the drop down, or even you can write the reason as invoice mistake. And as we are reversing the invoice, you have to select here credit. And as the invoice is unpaid, so you have to select link to invoice as yes and apply to invoice as yes. If this invoice was created using sales order, and after reversing this sales invoice, you want to create another invoice using the same sales order, then you have to select this update SO status as yes. I repeat, if this invoice was created using a sales order and it was mistakenly created, then you want to reverse it and create another invoice using the same sales order. After reversing this, then you have to select the update SO status. And this, what system will do? System will basically reverse the sales invoice and allow you to create another invoice for the same sales order, if this option is yes. If this option is no, then it means that no, system will not allow you to create invoice for the same sales order again for the same value. Now here, link to invoice yes, apply to invoice yes, because you are reversing the complete invoice. Then all the information will be carried forward from there, as you have to reverse everything, okay? And if you want to reverse even the stock, you just select here yes. If it's a stockable service, it will come as yes. If it's a just service or non-inventory, it will come as no. So then just click add. That's it. Now your complete sales invoice is reversed and system has created a credit note. System has already created a credit note. In order to verify that credit note, you can just go to customer advance module. In that, you can find a credit note. I'm just opening in another tab. You can find a credit note here for the recently created sales return. This is a credit note. Okay, you can see the customer name and you can see the invoice document against which. So now system has created a credit note for it. And at the same time, it has reduced the receivables. In order to reduce the receivable, we are using receive payment module. Receive payment module doesn't mean that you are receiving the stock. You're receiving the amount physically or via online, nothing. Here we're just settling, we're using it just to settle it. You can see it has settled from the credit note module. So basically your revenue and the VAT is reversed, debited, and then your AR is credited. Thank you.